Today you are in for a real yummy treat. Come join us.
Right, we're going to have a tasting session. Let me turn it around and show you what we're going to be tasting. There we go. We have an Oreo vanilla, traditional vanilla flavour. And we have the original Oreo. So we're going to start with those. And we have a raspberry and, let's have a look. Oh, vanilla and raspberry, of course.
Hello and welcome. My name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. I love to cook and travel, and I like to share my videos. Meet Beryl, my partner in crime.
Beryl and I share a down under history. Because Beryl was born in
Aussie in Australia. Yeah.
And so we have quite a bit in common because we both feel like we have two homelands.
Yeah.
We're going to start tasting the originals. Now we do have our fluffy coffees, so that way we can rinse our mouth after each different biscuit. Rinse it with coffee. Just get rid of the flavour. Okay.
Not that it's a flavour you should get rid of because they're yum.
Oh, well, that's true. That would be a shame, wouldn't it? Or we could always have another biscuit.
Not a bad idea.
We'll get the flavour back. Okay, one for you.
Thank you.
And one for me. How many are there in a packet anyway? Do you know that?
No, I don't eat them that often.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Would there be 14, you reckon? Our first one, Oreo original. Nothing very special about it, just 2 chocolate biscuits, dark chocolate. And it's got a cream in it. But the first one is just,
Mine's cracked.
it's just got a cracked one. Right. Cheers.
Cheers. Sorry. So very.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Now that's how Oreos taste. I mean, I know the taste. You do too, don't you? Did your son used to eat Oreos?
Yeah, he did. The first time I ate them was on a holiday in America.
Oh, right.
I came back here hooked,
Oh, really?
but they didn't have them at the time.
Ah. They're quite nice. They're crunchy. And
I like them. I love them.
you love them? Oh, I'm going to taste the cream on its own.
It's nice and sugary, huh?
Very sugary.
Tastes good.
Mind you, because of the dark chocolate, it's not that sweet.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, in it goes. Last bite.
Have you ever seen double Oreos here in Holland? It's 3 cookies with 2 layers.
Oh, really?
Of cream. They have them in Australia, not in Australia, in America.
Oh, do they? Okay, that's good. Right, which one shall we try now?
I think I'd like to go to the tiramisu and vanilla.
Tiramisu vanilla. Okay.
Ooh.
Having a stir. I'm going to have my coffee. Right. Tiramisu vanilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this will be better than the raspberry and vanilla.
Yeah.
Because
Well,
of
maybe
the
we should do
combination.
those first, and then that way we get rid of the flavour, and then we have the yummy one.
Okay, yeah, sure, fair enough.
That a good deal?
The combination with chocolate, I don't know.
No, I know. I know. But those were the only 3 flavours they had.
Oh,
I know. Okay.
that's more than the original. Just
Oh.
they smell
There you go.
awful.
No, well, they smell very
Oh.
raspberry-ish.
Oh, very synthetic.
It just kind of really hit me when I opened the packet. Okay,
Oh,
Here
smells
it
like
is.
bubble gum.
there you go. Pink and white,
Yeah.
but a very, very aromatic. Very aromatic. Definitely raspberry though.
That's
Definitely
for sure.
raspberry.
Yeah, can't be mistaken about that.
Oh,
I start off like this.
crumbly.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
They're
Very
quicker.
crumbly. There we go. Definitely enough filling of both.
It's not that bad.
No. Actually, it smells unappetizing,
Yeah.
but it tastes rather nice. I was surprised. I actually thought that I would not like these. I thought I'd take a bite and then say, no, not my thing. But I think I'll suffer in silence and eat it anyway.
They're quite sufferable, aren't they? No, I don't know if I would buy them myself.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, they're not as bad as I anticipated.
No.
No.
But I wouldn't put them in the same container as the plain ones because I think if I was to do that, the plain ones would also taste like raspberry.
Yeah, I
Agree?
think so too. Yeah.
I've got crumbs everywhere.
Every Oreo to its own.
Yes, definitely. Oh, crumbs. Right, another swallow.
Yeah. Definitely love my Anita coffee. Such a special treat.
She comes specially for my coffee.
And for
Not
you,
for me.
of course. Aww. Now I have to come for your coffee and for your Oreos.
Right,
It's funny. Well,
tiramisu
onto
vanilla.
the tiramisu, yeah. I'm curious if that will smell as much as the raspberry did.
Well, no, that one, as soon as I opened it, was like, whoa.
Yeah.
But this one, oh, I can smell a bit of coffee.
Yeah, tiramisu is coffee, isn't it?
Yeah, but I can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh. I know we're eating these really fast, aren't we? But actually, they're nicer than I thought. I actually didn't think I'd enjoy doing this. I'm doing this for fun.
Can I have a whiff?
You can have a whiff. That's a good idea. You
Oh,
have a whiff.
yeah, it doesn't smell as much.
Now, Jen and Drew from Fame Dining actually inspired me to do this. If you don't know their channel, you got to check it out. I am going to put the link up there. And just check out there because, you know, their testing is... We could... That's it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And so this is why I'm actually doing this, because they had some peanut butter Oreos the other day. Well, a little while ago now.
Yeah.
And that inspired me to see what sort of Oreos we had in our shops. So here we go. Well, it does really smell nice.
Yeah.
I'm glad we left this one last.
Yeah. It was a good idea, wasn't it? Look. I split it exactly in half. How am I going to have to put it back together
good
now?
on you.
Look.
Oh, I can't do that now because I've
One's brown and the other one's white.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. Now I have to put it back together, otherwise it won't be right, will it?
No.
Okay.
No. They are really nice. Now, I've made tiramisu, and I think I could even use these to make a dessert. I'll do that.
Yeah, I like these. I like these better than the raspberry ones.
Yes. These are actually more a festive one for grown-ups. And I think the raspberry ones are party ones for kids. Big kids too. But
Yeah.
I'm more a tiramisu. Oh, they are really nice, aren't they?
They are.
Yum. Oh, got to make it last.
Oh, shoot. So I'm done. Shoot. Didn't make
You
mine
were
last.
just too quick. Very nice.
Yeah, they are good, aren't they?
They would be my favourite. I don't normally buy biscuits.
You make them yourself, don't you?
I bake. But if I had to have a packet of biscuits in the cupboard, because, you know,
You never know.
the unexpected, I think those would be my choice.
Yeah.
I would. Yum.
I don't think they would last very long.
No, it's a bit like chips.
Yeah, once you
Buy
open
a
the
bag
package
of chips and you open the bag.
and you're off.
They're gone.
Yeah.
Now, while you weren't watching, I've been creating. What have I made? Peanut butter.
Peanut butter Oreo with
Oreos.
Oreo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I couldn't buy them. And they sounded lovely in Drew and Jen's video. So I thought, well, if I can't buy them,
No, make it yourself.
so here comes the great show.
Oops.
Peanut butter and Oreo crumb Oreos.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottom up.
I actually love peanut butter, so no matter what you do with peanut butter, I'd like it.
Tastes like Snickers.
It's actually quite nice. It's sticky. It's quite nice. You're not a peanut butter fan.
I like peanut butter, but I don't like peanut butter and chocolate.
Oh, oh yeah.
I like peanut butter and honey though. That's
Okay.
good. But this tastes very much like Snickers.
Oh,
I
okay.
think. The structure is different. But
Okay. So now I'm just gonna. Peanut butter's got a bit soft, but indeed we've got little bits of
yeah.
biscuit. I crushed it, made a mess in the peanut butter.
She did.
But I can't really say that I actually taste them. They're
No.
in there,
Yeah.
and you can tell they're in there, but it's not
Yeah.
like I can taste
No.
extra chocolate or something.
Ice cream. Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what I thought, because I made it before. I'm just going to walk away. Wave the barrel. Earlier,
Oh, you did?
I did.
Something.
I made something earlier thinking about the crunch. This is peanut butter with chocolate sprinkles.
Hagelslag. Ah.
And really, in all fairness, maybe spread it around. There you go.
I didn't know you prepared that. I quite like the idea of you messing around with an Oreo.
Oh, we won't need dinner.
After this? No, I don't think so. And even if we do need dinner, I have to clean this one too.
Just scrape it onto there with your
Yeah,
knife.
okay.
That's it. So I think when you eat it like this, you will get the crunch. That's what I think.
Let's see.
Okay.
1 minute. Cheers.
Cheers.
Not tasting it yet. But maybe
It's
I
not
need.
so much tasting it. I don't really taste the extra chocolate. But instead of it just being all smooth, when you bite down on it, it has an extra crunch.
Okay. Like, I'm going to separate them again.
Chocolate sprinkles. Nice, aren't they? Very indulgent. Well, we do actually have one more to taste. And I'm going to have a drink of coffee first.
Still got my mouth full. 1 minute.
But coffee and chocolate together, nice too.
You know what? The peanut butter coffee is a bit.
Oh no, it's nice.
Yeah?
I've got a new flavour. Chocolate and coffee and peanut butter. Last one. We have also got an Oreo, peanut butter and
Vanilla, I think.
vanilla. So I just added it to the, hard to see that,
Original.
added it to the original vanilla. And the other one was just plain peanut butter.
Yeah.
This is fun. We
Cheers.
should do this more often.
I don't
Cheers.
I don't know what my waist will think about that.
Oh. I actually, that's quite nice with that vanilla with it. With that cream.
I like this better. It makes the
Makes
peanut.
It's better for the peanut butter.
Yeah, it makes it less sticky.
Whoops.
I don't know.
It's better with the original cream and the peanut butter and the little bits of crunch. Got it there. No?
Oops. I'm just eating away.
That's a good thing.
It's yum.
Yeah, yeah.
Delicious. That's actually even nice. Even though I don't like the peanut butter and chocolate, this one was actually good. Yeah.
I enjoyed that.
Yeah. That's
I
fun.
hope you did too. Don't forget to check out Drew and Jen's channel. They'd love to see you. So, oh, we've got to score them.
Oh yeah, we do. We haven't scored them yet.
This is the plain one, the original.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with the original,
No,
but it is
absolutely.
definitely just the plain one, right?
Yeah.
What would you score it out of 10?
7.
I'll give it an 8. Then we have the remix raspberry and vanilla flavour. What would you score that one?
5.5. I'm sorry.
Didn't think I'd like it at all.
You go.
I'll go 6.5.
Then you really must have liked it better than you thought you would.
Better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
Definitely better than I thought it would. In fact, I didn't think I'd even eat the whole biscuit. Okay. Then. Well, here we go. The winner is. Drum roll.
Dun, dun, dun. I'd give it an 8.5.
God, you're stingy with your
Yeah,
points.
I am.
I would.
I'm sorry.
I would give it a 9. I'll give it a 9 because there's always room for improvement.
Well, that was why I gave it an 8.5.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, these are our favourites.
Yeah, they
They're
are.
definitely
Absolutely.
our favourites.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes. The peanut butter ones,
Oh, yes.
you have to rate them too.
Oh, yes. What do you think?
I think the peanut butter with the Oreo and with the chocolate
Cream.
sprinkles,
Yes.
I would give them 6.5.
Yep.
But the ones with the cream, they were 7.
Yes, they definitely.
Absolutely 7.
Yes.
And
they
that
are,
from someone
yes.
who doesn't
The-
even like the combination. I think the cream in between,
Yeah,
it just,
definitely.
yeah. It was good.
Yes.
It was a
Well,
very good call.
I will keep doing what I did before and up some score by 7.5. Yours was 7. I'll go 7.5
Yeah, I can imagine.
because I do actually like the combination.
Yeah, you do, of course.
And
yeah.
I think if Oreos were to make them with the chocolate sprinkles, they'd get a 10 from Jen and Drew.
What do you think?
Yeah. I mean, they gave them 9 and a 9.25.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So
I think they really would, yeah.
I'd go
Yeah.
for a 10 then,
Yeah.
definitely. Okay, well, that was it. We've got to clean up the mess now.
Yeah. Was fun though.
It was, eh? What a
Yeah.
good way to spend an afternoon.
Yeah.
We should do this more often.
What will we taste next time?
Something savoury?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll think about it. And if you've got any ideas, just leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you again. Not just on the road, but also at the tasting table. We do love food. Bye.
Bye-bye.